Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable comments on TikTok. So watch this video till the end. First, open up a TikTok app. Tap on Profile that is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you are on your profile, tap on three horizontal lines that is on the top right corner of your screen. A menu bar will pop up. Tap on Settings and Privacy. On Settings and Privacy page, tap on Privacy. Now tap on Comments from Privacy page. Now tap again on Comments. A menu bar will pop up. Tap on No One to disable comments on TikTok and choose Friends or Everyone option to enable comments on TikTok. So that is how you enable or disable comments on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.